Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, Mr. Shirley, my friend, and everyone. Today, I will discuss a topic quite relevant: libraries and information. Before that, allow me introduce myself. My name is Ivan Nugraha from from Library Science Study Program with student ID number 2502 1462 33898. I will read section chapter section from chapter 12, digital initiatives and library 2.0, specifically the subsection artificial intelligence and library 2.0, from the book Introduction to Library and Information Science by Reed Helper and David Horowitz. I will include uh, I will include link to the PDF version of the book in the description. If you wish, if you want to access the book, I will read as approximately one or two pages, and then I will explain the content of the reading. Before we explore the function, service, and benefit of libraries and library science, we need to ensure that we are all working with the same definition of keywords. In other professions, the words knowledge, data, and information are used interchangeably. However, in library science, they relate but distinct things. Patrons and librarians produce the information provided by interpretation of data in order to receive and retain knowledge. They may also produce data, but the main store resource in libraries in information. Data is the building blocks of all items contained in a library. It is the bare facts of reality, the statistical collected information that has been recorded in a standard or at the least understandable way. There are two types of data. Quantitative data is data that has been recorded as an amount of something. For example, 4 seconds or 18 ounce. Qualitative data, on the other hand, is something that is not communicated through the use of numbers. This type of data is recorded through word of other media that cannot be assigned numbers. In order to ensure the qualitative data is collected consistently and accurately, research will use controlled vocabularies to record these qualities or at least approximate them. Then, the quantitative data of the use of these standardized vocabularies can be analyzed. The use of both types of data varies from field to field, but all data is in one of these two forms. Information is produced when a research or another person takes the data obtained by research and analysis and interprets it. This is always done in collective form. Example of the sorts of data derived information include the text of articles in academic journal, non-fictive books, and professional websites. Information text data and input it to the particular narrative. Ideally, the narrative of information is free from bias. However, bias inevitably creeps into data analysis despite research and interpreters' best efforts. Uh, this information literacy is a vital skill for librarians and their patrons to possess. Knowledge is obtained when readers internalize the information and data presented to them by items in the library collection. Readers internalize all of the information present in the items. Hopefully, they will retain the information. Internalization of information and action upon it as a demonstration of knowledge has been regarded as the highest form of intellectual achievement by many cultures. Okay, I will explain the content of the reading from the book Introduction, Library, and Information Science. Bacaan ini membahas bagaimana sih artificial intelligence itu atau AI seperti ChatGPT, OpenAI, and GPT-4 itu mulai mengubah layanan perpustakaan modern atau library 2.0 yang dari sekedar tempat sumber informasi menjadi pusat literasi digital. AI ini juga membawa banyak manfaat seperti membantu efisiensi kerja di perpustakaan. Tapi juga dapat menimbulkan problem masalah seperti ethical concerns seperti academic integrity yang harus dihadapi oleh pustakawan. Di era ini, librarians are just not information keepers, but also AI literacy facilitators, teaching patrons how to use tools like prompt engineering secara bijak agar perpustakaan tetap relevan dan bermanfaat di tengah perkembangan teknologi di era sekarang.